Good morning. We are at, where are we? We're at Torquay. That's our digs for the night, the Grand Hotel. And let me tell you, it was grand. And it's about 20 past 6 or 25 past 6 in the morning. This is Torquay. Very, very pretty. And it's the first time that I've had an opportunity to fly the drone. So it's only a gentle breeze, no rain, sun coming up. Let's fly the drone. So before I can fly it, before I take off, I've got to be able to pick up satellites. And because we're in the northern hemisphere and the last time it flew it was in the southern hemisphere, so it might take a short while to pick up a satellite. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I've finished videoing. I've got some good footage and now it's coming in land and it's 40 metres above my head, so I better start looking out for it. And that is how you fly the drone at Torquay in the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye.